Welcome to Lisbon. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Hold on. Did I see an airport? Which country would you love to live in?
Oh, so happy belated birthday.
Desert lakes. I will add a picture of them right here. You walk through, you feel the history. You smell the history.
You sweat the history.
You sweat the history.
Wait! You're also from Ukraine, right?
Yeah, I was born in Ukraine. I was born in Ukraine, but I moved to the United States in 2009. So I can perfectly speak Ukrainian, even though Ukrainians say I do have American accent when I speak Ukrainian. But I'd never think that way. Although if they hear it, that means I do have it. I'm going to become a world walking champion by the end of this day. Let's see, how many steps did we make already?
This is a good question. Be careful.
My heart rate is 136. 10,000 steps as of today. Nice.
So, to the right, and then we should be there.
Let's take a right. It's a beautiful painting. I love art. Wall art. I think that's what it's called. Wall art.
Wall art. Street art.
Or street art, yeah. It's beautiful to pass by good-looking art on the streets. It's not a graffiti, but it's usually not pretty. In a lot of countries, for example, in Poland, there's a lot of graffiti on the street. For some reason, probably a younger generation likes to put it everywhere, and it looks like it's kind of ruining the theme, because overall Warsaw looks very beautiful.
There we are.
Welcome to Flea Market. All right. Do you have any goals? Do you want to buy anything?
Oh, careful. No, not really. My only goal is to see what's here. Because flea markets in Europe are different from country to country.
Yeah. That was a car.
Be careful.
Essa daqui acho que é mais de teto mesmo.
Flea market. The last time I was at the flea market was approximately in 2002.
See? Amazing. This is my first YouTube video I'm in. This is your first flea market trip after a really long time.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, which means a lot of time have passed since I was doing this before. I can finally catch up with the breath.
It's also cute. I'm obsessed with jewelry.
I can see that. Can you show me your hand?
My hands.
Yeah, there we go. She's obsessed with jewelry. To be obsessed with jewelry, it means to love it. To love it a lot, to like it a lot, to buy it, to think about it, to be obsessed, to be a little bit crazy about jewelry.
It's actually fun. Oh, sounds like home. Feels like home already.
Yeah.
Não можно, да.
Ukrainian, Russian languages in Portugal makes it all feel like home.
Wait, give me a second.
You got it.
Hi. Gracias. Ciao.
You got something?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus, that looks beautiful.
Thank you.
+1 to your collection.
Yes. It's really nice.
They said, я сейчас буду ехать на велосипеде, which is a fun and a slangy way in Ukrainian mixed with Russian that I will take a bike and I will ride it that way. Lisapeta, it's a slangy way, just like in Spanish they say bicicleta, which is a bike. I think it's a mix of Spanish and Ukrainian. What do you like the most about the flea markets?
That there are so many different things that belong to someone, and now I can have it maybe if I wanted. It's crazy that someone else already had it. It's super interesting, and what they did and why they bought it. I like this.
Interesting. So pretty much a history of each object. What would you like to get from here?
From here,
Yeah.
I'm really happy already about my chain.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. So one should be enough.
No, no. So I'll look for some other jewelry pieces.
When you tell someone, especially a Scorpio, that, hey, that's probably enough, like, no. If you said it's enough, that means it's not enough.
It's not enough. I need more. Thank you.
You got it, all yours. As long as you can explain to people what exactly you want to get, that works for us.
But flea markets always just looking, not to have a goal to get something, because this is like searching for shells. If you search for them at the beach, you don't find them. If you just look around and have a great day, you will find the most beautiful shells.
So
always.
true.
And this is the same energy for flea markets. If you search for something beautiful, you won't find it.
That's interesting. And I figured there is a law in this world. If you're searching for something really hard, it will move away from you. It'll be harder for you to get it. If you let it go, it will actually come to you.
Yeah.
If you relax and enjoy your life, if you do the right things, right things will come to you, things that you want to get.
Did it work for you?
It did.
Yeah? For what goal?
For everything that I have in
Everything.
my life.
Okay.
If
For
I'm-
example, the most recent one.
The most recent one that I have let go, I guess craving to understand what I really want to do in order to get what I want to get. And this YouTube channel popped up randomly in my life, and now it's the fastest YouTube channel of mine, and I have 3 YouTube channels,
Oh,
to be
wow.
honest. And this one grows in a fastest way.
Oh, congratulations.
Last
when
month-
did you start? Sorry.
Oh yeah,
what?
I've started this channel 5 months ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, that's good.
And I was looking for the right type of content, for the right type of videos that these people will love. Sure, let's go there.
Yeah. Thanks.
Love is the food for life. For 5 months, I was looking for the right type of content, and recently I found this type of content where I walk around with random people that I meet on the street works the best. Because
Okay.
people love listening and seeing people moving and talking about their life, about objects they find, about things they pass by, about this umbrella right here, about that girl looking at me and thinking, what is this guy recording?
Yeah, yeah.
People love seeing action and emotions. That's why when I found this format, we got 9,000 subscribers within 3 weeks.
That's
Since actually within 2 weeks and a half.
good. Really?
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thanks to those people. Thank
Good
you.
job, guys. Good job.
Let's keep doing it. I'm getting thirsty and I'm getting hungry.
Let's go grab something.
Yes. What kind of food do you like?
Difficult question. I love every food. I love to try food. Everything I can, I will try it always.
Okay.
So I can't say this kind of food I don't like or
Yeah.
yeah.
But there is one rule on this YouTube channel. We no longer eat meat on a camera because our video editor is vegan and he is the best video editor in the world that I've seen. If you've seen a better one, you tell me, you let me know who that person is. But I gotta keep my video editor happy, so there will be no more meat on a camera.
That's good.
I'm here to remind you to smash that like button below this video and to force veganism on you. Just kidding, only to force veganism on you, forget about likes. Honestly, please don't tell Sergii I've been here. Let's get back to the video.
Let's pick up. Oh, that looks pretty. Let's get inside. Looks like a market, an indoor market. An indoor market means it's a market that's inside of a building. There is a roof, there are walls. That means indoor. Ooh, matcha with flavor. I think I'm seeing sangria.
Really?
Yeah. Have you ever tried sangria?
Yes, in Spain.
Oh yeah, you've been to Spain.
Yeah.
I want to drink. I want to get a water. I want to get a food, but also we could try sangria if you want to.
Yeah, let's go.
Perfect. Sangria is a drink. It's a Spanish. I think it's a Spanish drink. Is it Spanish?
Yeah, I guess so.
Excellent. I'm
No,
going to
yeah, Spain and Portugal.
Spain and Portugal. Awesome. I used to live with a guy from Spain in Los Angeles, and he did he made sangria at home,
Oh,
which was awesome. Homemade sangria.
it's like samagon for us in Ukraine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Hi there. Hey, can we get 2 sangrias? Also, can I get a 1 water? That was a long walk. I can feel my legs.
Yeah.
I mean, I cannot feel them anymore. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
And for an amazing walk. It's been a long walk. It's just like a juice. So you spent majority of your life in Germany.
Yes, I moved to Germany when I was 10.
When you were 10,
Yeah.
so you grew up in Germany.
No, I grew up in Ukraine.
Well, yeah, but then you spent your
My childhood, yeah.
in Germany. Tell us about
My youth.
about a life in Germany, about the life of teenagers' life in Germany. In Ukraine, for example, I started drinking when I was 13 years young.
30.
13, and I quit drinking when I was 17. That's the teenager's life in Ukraine, at least what it used to be.
Ukrainians have a really big drinking culture.
How about in Germany?
Same.
Same?
To be honest, it depends on where you live in Germany, but if you have really small villages, really small, one school, one hospital, I don't know, not even a hospital sometimes,
Yeah.
the drinking culture there is also pretty strong.
I have just realized that today is Tuesday,
Yeah.
and now it's 5 p.m., 5 minutes before 5 p.m. in Portugal, which means that's almost 6 p.m. in Poland and Germany, and that means public speaking class that I'm hosting will start in 5 minutes. So on this good note, we're going to tell you thank you for joining us, but it's a time to turn off the camera and start driving public speaking class.
Let's go.